Hey everyone, Cody from Mactelecom Networks. Back in January of 2023, I started this video series called UI News. I did another one in March, and then I haven't done one since. UI News for me on my channel is just for anything new about Ubiquiti that doesn't require a full video. Today we're going to go over a couple things that are new within Ubiquiti and a couple things that we have already seen. So the first thing that's new actually is showing in this video here, but it goes pretty quick. So I'm going to bring it up from a screenshot. Now this is the screenshot and it looks to be showing this flow animation between different devices, which currently isn't in Unifi network. They do click on the second floor AP, and we could see right here that it says test latency and capture packet. So to me, in a future firmware update, we might be able to do packet captures just by this dashboard, which would be a great addition to the Unifi network. Now, one other thing that I think is kind of funny is under this video, and I'll show you a screenshot here, and I'm gonna let Ubiquiti know about this, but if we scroll in, it looks like they have all their images upside down. So the UDM, all the ports are on the left. They really should be on the right, unless they're coming out with a new design, but I think that was just a mistake. Now, another great thing that Ubiquiti added is this site called techspec.ui.com. So you could search any device and get the technical specifications on them, as well as marketing material. So if we click on the Dream Machine Professional, you're going to see the data sheet. It's going to give us this image of it. It's also going to give us the installation guide, which will bring us to the guide. And then it's going to give us these marketing images. So I get asked quite a lot how, when I'm doing my topologies and draw.io, how I get the Ubiquiti images from there. I've always just been coming to their website. They do allow us to grab their PNG files that you could upload to either Visio, draw.io, or whatever program that you're using. So this is also a great new addition, and I will put a link down below to this page. So the next thing that's brand new and just came out is the Cloud Key Enterprise. So this is going to be for enterprises that have a lot of different sites and they need a server that's just functioning as Unifi network. You can't put anything else on this besides Unifi network, and it does come at a steep cost. So you're paying $5,000. You can manage 1,000 plus Unifi network devices and up to 10,000 clients. It has a 10 gig SFP, and then it has two 550 watt power supplies, which are hot swappable. For me, I probably won't be able to get this to do a review on. I'm not going to drop over $6,000 US, and I doubt this is something that Ubiquiti is trying to push too hard. Now we're going to take a look at these devices a little quicker just because I've already done a short video on them, but they did release the AI Professional, which is a 4K professional camera, and it does license plate reading for $499 USD. So this is something that I will review once it does come to Canada. The next one up is the G4 Doorbell Pro that has PoE in it, and it does come with a PoE chime. So this is also a great addition, which a lot of people had been asking for. This is $379 USD. I will review it once I could get it. And the next one is the G5 Professional, which is also 4K, but the nice thing about this is it has the professional vision enhancer. This gives us extended infrared as well as floodlights on it that have 600 lumen, which is awesome. So you can kind of do color night vision with this. Again, once I get it, I will do a review. Now, the last hardware we're going to look at is the G2 Reader Professional, which we could order in white or black, which is a great addition. I really wish they would do this for all their cameras. Something that's different with the new G2 Hub, we have two inputs for cameras. So you could see that we have 5 Ethernet ports, one for power, one for entry and exit readers, and then 2 cameras. They've also renamed how the ports lay out. We could see that we have door position, and the last one says emergency. So I will review this again once it does become available in Canada. Now, one last thing that I get asked a lot is how I got started in Ubiquiti. I did work for companies that used Ubiquiti, but I pretty much learned by myself. I bought some gear and then I referenced their help pages. Ubiquiti's done a really good job for getting these help pages done. So it's getting started with Unifi, but if you scroll down, you could learn about their consoles. If we go even further, we could learn about the network, which has a bunch of different articles. We have gateway and routing, we have protect, we have access, we have talk, we have connect. Pretty much every controller that they offer, we have help articles about. So this is a really great place to start. And that's going to be it for this month of UI News. And what I'm most excited about is that capture packet ability if they do bring that to Unifi Network. I am going to do a full Unifi Network 2023 video from start to finish, but I'm waiting for Unifi OS 3.1 to drop. If you'd like to see anything specific in that video, leave it down in the comments below. you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, thanks.